Today we have a video from Body Cam Watch, and the title of the video is Shoplifting Duo Outsmarts the Police After Being Caught Red-Handed.
On December 7th, 2024, while families were out shopping for gifts, officers were dispatched to a Baby Gap store after two women tried taking advantage of the holiday chaos.
Two black females, one is wearing green leggings and a green patterned jacket. She has a black shopping bag that she is putting items into. The other female, black outfit, white beanie. She is currently in the corner of the store. She also has a bag, no description of that bag. They're both removing hard tags from items.
You guys taking the stuff off of the clothes?
No, I have this already. I'm holding this. I'm finna buy
Okay,
this.
so they called and described you guys for nothing?
We just got here.
Yep, I know. Come here, ma'am.
I don't have nothing. Here you go.
Come here. Alright, just set it down here.
Okay.
Stay here. Come here.
We don't have anything, sir.
Come here.
We don't have anything.
Okay. You're not
Please
leaving.
don't touch me.
You're not leaving.
Okay.
You're being detained right now.
We put it back. We put it back. We don't have
Alright,
anything.
I need IDs from both of you.
We don't have ID.
Well, you're gonna find
Of course you
something with
don't.
your name on it.
The one with the braids is trying to think of a way out.
I P'd them out with both of them. Code 4.
I don't have nothing.
Alright, what's your first name?
Kia, K-I-A.
Last name?
Thompson, T-H-O-M-P-S-O-N.
Middle initial?
T,
Date of birth?
8/21/92.
How old are you?
32.
What's your current address?
5822 North 71st Street.
Where's that at?
Milwaukee, Wisconsin.
Alright. What's your first name?
Jazmon. Roby, R-O-B-Y. Look, they
Middle
running,
initial?
y'all come getting us, and these people running out the stores with stuff. Like, let's be real. Because all I was coming for it.
Okay. Stay here.
I am. I'm not going nowhere.
No, you're gonna
sir.
stay over here.
Okay. Go ahead, Jasmine. She give me her name.
What's your middle initial?
N.
N?
Mm-hmm.
Date of birth?
7996. I'm on my phone ringing, sir. I'm not going nowhere.
Stop walking away.
Because my phone is ringing.
I don't care. You don't have to walk away to answer your phone.
I'm all in my business, sir. Hello?
Well, I am in your business
I'm
because
talking
you.
about them.
Alright, what's your address? Over here.
55 North 62nd Street.
55.
North 62nd. No, 5555 North 62nd.
And that's Milwaukee?
Yes.
Alright. So, why did they call us?
I don't
Over
know
here.
Sure.
Over
We're
here.
not sure. We had stuff. We put it back. So why can't you let us go?
Okay. Well, they said you're taking the tags off of it.
We didn't take no
The
tags.
security things off.
No, we didn't take
Okay.
no tags off. Sorry, wrong person. Hello.
Oh. So, you guys just took everything out when I got here?
Yes, we don't have anything.
But you guys were concealing it?
No. I was leaving this stuff over here.
Stay over here. I'm code 4. Stop.
Okay,
Stand over here.
Why is we still right here when we don't have anything?
Stand over here. Because I'm still investigating it. I haven't talked to the witnesses because every time I walk away from you, you start walking away.
Okay, I'm sorry.
Stay there.
Okay.
Until the other officer gets here, I have to stay here and
Okay.
hold you here.
Okay.
And I don't know where your friend went. All right. Just stand over here. Till the other officer gets here. Once the other officer gets here, I can talk to the witness.
Okay.
And find out more.
Okay.
So as of right now, we're just kind of at a standstill.
Okay.
79 PD 229s. Just stay by with them. They're wanderers, so they're not going to stay here, but I'm going to talk with her and figure out what's going on.
I think she just put the minigun in her jacket in her like food area.
What did you just put in your coat?
Who, me?
Yes.
I don't have nothing in my coat. My phone, my AirPods. I just want AirPods in my coat, sir.
You just put the magnet thing in your coat.
No, I have my AirPods that's in my coat, sir. I don't have no magnet thing.
Okay, stand over here so you're not hindering other customers that are paying for their stuff.
Yeah, so she was removing hard tags. I can show you where they might be.
Okay.
Motherfuckers be talking half slick and need you to do something.
She grabbed a handful of items. Here's one of them. She grabbed a handful of items, and then she came over here. She deflected them on the other side of that wall, came over here, and was looking around, and that's when she started taking the hard tags off.
And which one was taking the hard tags off?
The girl that's giving you problems.
Okay. Stay right here. Come here.
Hey, what? Because I'm moving?
Yep.
Stop. I don't have anything. Okay.
We're not playing these games.
Okay, I'm sorry, sir.
Stop.
Okay. I'm not going to move. I promise.
Stop.
I promise.
Just put your hand behind your back.
No, come on. Please don't
Stop.
do that. Please don't put my hand behind my back. I will stop moving. I promise.
Stop.
Okay, here.
We're not playing these.
Okay. Let me just stand still.
207. I just come back
Okay.
up here. We're going 95.
Okay, no, I'm going to stay still, please. Just
Stop.
I'm going to listen.
We're gonna go.
I promise.
You're gonna go in cuffs.
Okay, I'm sorry.
No, you're going in cuffs.
No, I promise I'm not going to move. I
Okay.
promise. Please just give me one more chance.
Do you understand that you're both detained, right?
Yes.
So if I give you a lawful order,
Yes, I'm
you
going to
do
stand
it.
still. I'm
Okay.
standing still.
She 100% has a magnet on her.
Earlier, as the officer began jotting down their information, watch as the other woman create a distraction that may have opened a small window of opportunity. Was that split second all it took to stash the magnet?
All right. You refuse? Turn up, put your hand right back.
Why are we under arrest? Why are we under arrest?
Right now you're being detained. I told you. You're not doing all this. Put your hand behind your back.
Okay.
Stop, right here.
Hey, wait.
Stop.
Don't pull my coat. Wait, no, I'm not going to go nowhere.
Then stop.
Hey.
Put your hands behind your
Damn,
back.
man.
You're not playing these games. I
I'm
told
not.
you.
Let me go. Okay. Y'all let us go.
Let go. Drop
Oh,
it.
my God. Okay. I'm dropping. Why are we going to getting arrested? We don't have anything.
I said you're detained. I said don't do anything.
Okay, but why are we getting arrested when we don't have anything?
Because you're taking the sensors off and I caught you before you walked out. She's gonna have a magnet on her somewhere. Unless she stashed that somewhere too.
I don't have anything.
Then how are you taking the sensors off?
I don't take anything.
Not you. That one. Alright, let's go outside. Security's gonna stand there, watch your stuff. We'll grab it before we go. I think if she doesn't have a magnet or something on her, it's gonna be right there in the. Yeah, that's why I told her
never
to.
had a magnet, sir. I gave Kia. It go, no, it's Kia. I have two names, sir. Both of them will pull up.
And you said 8-1? 9.
You got two
No,
names.
I'm sorry.
Both of them will pull
I
up.
said 9-1. I think he got 8-21-92. I said 9-1-92.
Yeah, bro.
8-21-92.
821 of 92. That ain't even close.
That's 9-1-92.
9-1 of 92. All right, you're under arrest for obstruction.
No, I didn't give you no fake information, sir.
Okay, do you have anything in your
No,
shirt?
I can't. Y'all, please don't take me to arrest, please. I gave him. Y'all got my ID. I said Shakia Thompson. 9192. I never gave you guys a fake name.
She didn't say Shakia. She said Kia.
Can I make a phone call, please?
All right now.
My kids is at home. Can I
That's
please?
fine. Let's have a seat, ma'am. All the way in.
Am I going to jail? Can you be honest with me?
Right now, yes.
Why?
Okay. I don't know if it's gonna be for retail theft right now, possession of the theft device. I will get that to you, okay? Right now, you just gotta cooperate with me, okay? So
Can I
now
please, okay, wait 1 second before I sit down. Can I please just make one call off my
Not
phone?
right now.
Please, because
Not right
my
now.
daughter is at work and I just want her to know what's going on. Please.
I
Please.
promise you this. If I take you to jail, I'll give you that call. Okay?
No, I don't want to go to jail.
I said if. I'll give
Please
you that
don't
call.
take me to jail.
I know. Have a seat.
Okay.
You have nothing in your bra?
No.
Hey, Connor. Check by the racks here. She was ditching shit, so.
Officers never located the missing magnet, and employees suspects it could possibly be hidden in her bra. But officers believed it may be stashed somewhere near the front of the store. And that's what makes this case so interesting. Did she really outsmart everyone with that split-second distraction? Let us know your thoughts in the comments.
Yeah, that's the problem when you got multiple people and only one officer is showing up. You know, it makes it tough, because that time frame between, because some police departments are big and they have partners, you know what I mean? Patrol, they always got a partner, you know. And then some police departments are small where they got, they don't have partners, they're just solos, you know. And it makes it really difficult when you have one officer and multiple suspects, because exactly what they were doing, ditching off fake information, fidgety, one moving this way, one going back that way in the aisle, and do like, it just like, damn, the officer tried, but he can't. It's not much you can do. You're one person. You can't take down two at the same time. It's not gonna happen. You know, you realistically cannot. You ain't gonna be able to detain two. You could say it, but you physically can't grab. You know, it's tough. And then security, they ain't gonna do nothing. They just gonna sit there, and that's about all you gonna get out of them. So it's just, yeah, man. It's a mess. It's definitely a mess. Officers did their best, but they was able to ditch off the equipment and stuff like that. So, they get a 4. The ShyGotEm Correctional Facility is now open, where we specialize in act right and getting them together. If you want to become an officer, check out the YouTube membership. If you want to be a sergeant or above, check out the Patreon. Your support helps the channel keep going, and I hope to see you in lineup.